Good morning, dear students. So today we will learn about exercise 12.4, which is about the simplification of the fractions. So in 12.3 we studied about the multiplication and division. Now we have to also take the simplification, in which we have to do multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, everything that we have to do here. Okay, so here you can see in question number 1a. In question number 1a, there the addition is also given, multiplication is also given, and the minus sign is also given, right? So here, as we know about the BODMAS, board mass rule, right? So BODMAS rule says that multiplication should be done before the addition. BODMAS, division, then after multiplication, and then after addition, and then after subtraction, right? So first of all, if there is a division sign, then division should be done. If there is a multiplication, then the multiplication should be done at first before the addition, and if only plus and minus is given, then the plus sign should be done at first. So BODMAS is the rule. So here we can see question number 1a. So let's do question number 1a, how to do this. Okay, so in question number 1a, the question is like 1 by 2 plus 11 by 5 into 6 by 11 minus 2 by 3. So this is the question given. So here the multiplication sign is there, so we'll be doing this 2 at first. Okay, so let's do 1 by 2 will be same, plus 11 into 6 upon 5 into 11 minus 2 by 3 will also be same. And now what we can do, since here in the numerator and denominator is 11, so we cut it down. Now this cannot be cut, so we'll be keeping it as the same, 1 by 2 plus 6 by 5 minus 2 by 3, right? So here you can see the denominators are different. So if the denominators are different, then we have to make it, yes, we have to make it similar. So let's do for the addition first. Okay, let's do of this addition, or we can do it directly also. Since here you can see 2 is there, 5 is there, and 3 is there. So the LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is, what can be the LCM? What can be the lowest common multiple in between this 3, 2 and 5? Okay, so how to find the LCM? Let me show you an example. Okay, since we have studied that in a table, so let me write here a rough. And we know that the lowest common multiple can be found by the different sort of process. The first process, like 2, 4, the multiples. Okay, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so yeah, like this the multiples can be written. Of the 3 also you can write the multiples and you can take the common, and of 5 also you can write the multiples and you can take the common in 3. But the easy method will be like, since here the 2, 3 and 5, all 3 are the prime numbers, so we'll be directly multiplying. Okay, 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3 is 6, 6 into 5 becomes 30. So 30 will be the lowest common multiple. So now we'll be writing 1 by 2. 2, how many is the 30 will be there? 2 15s are 30. So since we are multiplying in denominator, in numerator also will be multiplying with 15. Then after 6 by 5 will be the same, and 5, how many is the 30? 5 6 are 30. So in both 5 6 are 30. Minus 2 by 3 is there. 3, how many is that 30? 3 10s are 30, right? So this is how we have to do. Now this will be 15 upon 30 plus 36 upon 30 minus 20 upon 30. So since now you can see all the denominators are equal, so 30 will be the same. Now 15 plus 36 minus 20. Okay, like this we have to write. Then after doing the addition at first, yes. So while doing the addition, 36 plus 15 becomes 30, 40, 46 and 51. Okay, if you are feeling difficult, then you can do it in rough also. 36 plus 15. Okay, you can do it in a rough. This whole side I'll be making a rough. Okay, so here we have to show the process how we have done also. So 5 plus 6 becomes 11. and 1 will be carry over. 1 2 3 4 5. Look, 51 minus 20 upon 30. Now the remaining will be 51 minus 20 is 31 and 30. Now you can solve into the mixed fraction. Okay, so similarly we have so many questions, and here also the multiplication is there. This multiplication will be done first. Here division is given, so division will be done at first. Let's do this, how to do the division simplification, okay, where the division sign is also there. Let's do this. See now. So here in question number 1C, the question is given like 4 by 5 into 1 by 7 divided by 8 by 7 plus 1 by 3 is given. Okay, so 4 by 5 into 1 by 7 divided by 8 by 7 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so first the division is given, so division in between these two is given, so we'll be solving this at first. 4 by 5 into, others will be same, okay, only we have to change the first step, we have to change this one only. So 1 by 7, and the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8 plus 1 by 3 will be same, so 7 will be cancelled out. Now 4 by 5 will be here, and then after 1 by 8 is remaining, right? So into 1 by 8 is remaining plus 1 by 3. Now we'll be multiplying this. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? So 1 into 1 will be 1 only, 5 into 2 will be 10 on, then after plus 1 by 3. Now the LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. So equals to 1 by 10 into 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 10 into 10. Why we did it? Because we have to make the denominator same for doing the addition. And 3 upon 30 will be there, plus 10 upon 30 will be there. So 3 plus 10 upon 30, and this will be equal to 13 upon 30. So like this you can do the simplification when the division sign is given. Now the most of the questions are very similar. Here in D number this bracket is given, that means first of all we have to solve whatever given in the bracket. First of all we have to solve this, okay? So this is simple addition, no need to overthink about it. And here in E number the mixed fraction is given. First of all solve this mixed fraction into the fraction, proper fraction, then after you can do this, okay? So another this also the bracket should be opened at first. Here also bracket should be open at first. So there is no any very vast type of questions given here, or most of the questions are very similar. Here off is written, this off means multiplication, okay? So this multiplication should be done at first. Here also multiplication, so this multiplication will be done at first, okay? So now next is question number 2. Here you can see solve the following word problems. Mrs. Sharma brought the following goods, and the rice is 1 by 2, dal is 1 by 4, sugar is 1 by 2, maida is 1 by 2. So find the total kg of her goods. So you need to what to do here? You need to add all these kgs. 3 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 2. So equals to the total kgs. Since here it is asking the total, so we need to sum this all. We need to do the addition of this all. Okay. And here in question number 2, it's only asking the total weight of dal, sugar and maida. So since dal, sugar and maida, so you need to add this 3 only. No need to add the rice. And here now in B number question, the parts of the stick is given. This part is red, green, black, red is given, right? So now what to do? Calculate the length of the colored part. The colored part is 3 by 14, 5 by 18, 5 by 18, 3 by 14. So you have to add this all 4. And find the length of the uncolored part. So the uncolored part is this one only, right? So we don't know the total length. Let's see if the total length is given anywhere. So here the total length is not given, but in question number 3 you can see if the black colored part is 20 cm, calculate the length of the stick. So what it is saying, this black color from here to here it is 20 centimeter and the fraction is also given. So what we can do now, so since the length is not given, let the length of stick be x. Okay, if we suppose it x, then the fraction given here, black colored part is 20 cm given, right? So what we can do, black colored part means it's 5 by 18 fraction is given. This 5 by 18 of x, 5 by 18 of total length x. Okay, that 5 by 18 is the fraction given, and that is the fraction, that is the part of the total length of the stick. So we have done of x here, and x we have supposed the length of the stick. So 5 by 18 of x equals to 20 will be there, and here or 5 by 18 of means into x equals to 20. Or now here you can see 5x will be there and 18 will be there and 20 will be there. Okay, so this 5x and 18, now here 18 is in the denominator part. When it goes in another side, it will be in a numerator part. Yes, 5x equals to 20 into 18 will be there. Now again, when you see here, this 5 into x is there, that means this 5 is in the numerator part. When it goes in the another side, it becomes in the denominator part. X equals to 20 into 18 upon 5. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, or x equals to 4 into 18, or x equals to 72. So now you can do question number 2 also, because we have founded the total length of the stick. The total length of the stick from here to here is 72 centimeter, right? So now what you can do, since it is a 76 centimeter and this uncolored part we don't know, so we will be supposing find the sum of 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 and multiply it with 8 by 20. So this sentence we have to solve into the mathematical sentence now, mathematical equation. Let's see how it will be. Since it was given the sum of, find the sum of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 will be there, then it will be multiplied by 8 by 20. So since the question is asking find the sum of 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 and multiply it with, and multiply first of all finding the sum, then after only multiplying. So we will be keeping it in a bracket, since we have to do this first. Okay, if we don't keep this in a bracket, then what you will think, that multiplication should be done first, so you will be multiplying, so that will be totally wrong. So this will be the equation. Okay, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 will be done at first, then only this will be multiplied by 8 by 20. So similarly you can do other questions like subtract 2 by 3 from the product of, so subtracting 2 by 3 from the product, first of all you have to find the product of this, and then only you have to do the minus 2 by 3. Now here divide the product of 10 by 7 and 28 by 40 by 1 by 17. So first of all you need to find the product of this, then you need to divide it by 1 by 17. Okay.